In Leicester, a new recruit, Craig, is being shown the ropes by Kevin. They've been sent to clear a house abandoned by the tenant. So you see, Craig, it's all a bit of a doddle.
Yeah, it don't look too bad anyway, does it? No. Not in here anyway.
This should be fairly easy.
Yeah, it don't look too bad. Might be in for an easy day.
That looks like a dark hand pointing upstairs. It's not a good sign.
Oh, the smell.
Smell already.
And the lad's mood quickly changes.
Oh, you basket. Ooh. This one takes a biscuit.
Even Kevin is taken aback.
I can't. I'm going to be... It's bad.
That's bad.
That's human waste in there. Oh,
Needs some of it.
that one is bad. I won't be eating no biscuits after this job.
Nope.
I won't be eating for the next 2 days. You can do the toilet, Craig. I'll do the bath.
Yeah, right.
Get some fresh air. The smell's rife. It really is. And then it's the thought of actually doing the job. But that's what we get paid for. So we'll get into it. Get stuck in it. It'll be gleaming by the time we've done. Gleaming.
That's good. Being positive, it shouldn't take too long.
Fill the bath up with bleach, fill the toilet up with the bleach, get a good rodding, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll go down.
So, Craig, how was it on your first day?
Oh,
It smells terrible, doesn't it?
no. Oh. If I haven't got any more smells, I'm going to cry.
I know.
Oh, God. All right, kit up.
See that.
This is a job which may take some getting used to. In Leicester, rookie Craig is facing a tough initiation task. This time they know what to expect, and it's horrible.
Craig's first week, so it's his first dirty job. Here we go.
The only consolation is that it doesn't get very much worse than this.
I drew the short straw on this job. Definitely. No, I do feel sorry for him though, but hey-ho. Somebody's had a go at cleaning this out.
Tried to use that for that.
Even grime-fighting veterans like Kevin sometimes feel it's all too much.
I'm going to spew.
What? I feel bad already.
I'm going to go.
If only machines did it all.
That's the wet and dry. You can use it obviously to suck wet stuff up and dry, and today, by the looks of it, it's a bit of both in there, so here we go.
And if only machines didn't sometimes make the problem worse.
The stench has got twice as bad. It really has. It is really evil.
The toilet's going down though, isn't it? Also, as you're sucking it out of there, the water's going down, so you might be able to clear it out through the bath.
And even when the machine has worked, there's still a problem.
Tackle that. No. Ah, that's full. Craig,
Yeah.
this machine needs emptying now.
Yeah, where though? You can't even get in the back.
It's your job to empty it.
Where are we going to empty it though? 'Cause you can't get through the back door.
Yeah, no, we can't. We'll sort it.
It's at times like these that grime fighters have to take a break.
You're going to have a bite to eat now. Have us breakfast. Yeah, have a minute's break and then get back in and tackle it again.
Craig doesn't admit to doubts about his new job. Kevin does it for him.
Made me feel ill then.
Oh, it smells horrendous.
We're not paid enough to do this. It does make us... No, it does make you wonder why. It does. But then it's a job at the end of the day. I do enjoy the job, just not this side of it. But somebody's got to do it, so...
Someone in the office might explain how they get rid of the waste.
Any suggestions? Yeah. Yeah, all right, yeah, okay. Right, we've got to take it and get rid of it.
That's the trouble with 50 litres of sewage. Nobody wants it. In Leicester, Kevin and his new recruit Craig have emptied the vacuum cleaner and are ready to start again.
Is it full of water?
Just going to fill back up. Oh, that's going to flood. There we go again.
It's going down, like it's unblocking it.
It's unblocking it into the bath. That's evil. Right, get the sucker on again.
Craig is beginning to realise how tough this job can be. They're not called extreme cleaners for nothing.
Right, the odd task now, cleaning it. Don't want to be here doing this. Definitely drew the short straw on this one today. Oh man, definitely need a few quid more.
Craig is learning how team spirit helps. They're in this together. But even when this stage is over, a lot of work remains.
The builders come in and rip the lot out. So this job just seems completely a waste of time. But never mind. Oh, it smells getting worse. The more you're disturbing it, the worse it's becoming.
It's been a rude awakening for Craig.
At least he's not been sick yet. That's the main thing. Yet. Yeah, he's doing really well. It's not the sort of thing you want on your first week. Smelling a bit fresher now, anyway.
Yes.
There's still the mark of the big black hand downstairs.
Right then, mate, because you're taller than me, you can reach up there, can't you?
It's just one of those days. Will it ever end?
This is the worst I've ever seen. I wasn't expecting this.
Craig is left to his own devices while Kevin finishes off the bathroom.
Hell of a lot cleaner. Smells fresher anyway, that's the main thing.
They've given the builders who come in next a much easier task.
That's dry now. I think that's about it then. Yeah.
As Craig works on, Kevin reflects. Even with his experience, this house has got him down.
I just know if it were a member of my family, you know, you'd step in, you'd never let it get to that state, so...
But when the hard work is completed, there's satisfaction.
Gleaming. I'm happy with that.
The marathon is over, and thanks to two determined Grimefighters, victory is theirs. For Kevin and Craig, it's definitely time for a shower and a rest.